Hi, I'm David, and this is my wife Susan, and we'd like to welcome you to our home. We would also like to welcome you to the sensible solution to rising energy costs and the key to energy savings and safe, reliable comfort for your home. It's a geothermal comfort system, and I'll tell you exactly how it works in just a minute. But first, take a look around. Do you see anything unusual? Probably not, because we've all become used to living in the modern age. Convenience and comfort are the things we want. Home computers, CD players, remote controls, and where would we be without the VCR? Life has changed for the better. There's something else about this home that's a real change for the better. It's the comfort system that keeps this house warm in the winter and cool in the summer. Susan stepped out back and she'll tell you more about it.
The heating and cooling that David just told you about is coming right from the earth. And you also have this same endless supply of natural geothermal energy in your own backyard. Here's how it works. No matter where you live, the north, south, or somewhere in between, the earth absorbs free energy from the sun and stores it beneath your property. That's why the temperature in the ground remains constant all year long, no matter what the weather is above ground. This makes the earth warmer in the winter and cooler in the summer than above ground temperatures. This energy can be captured and used for heating and cooling. In fact, heat energy can also be diverted into your water heater to produce hot water. The benefits of tapping this energy source are tremendous. Typically, homeowners like you can save up to 60% on their home heating and cooling costs. And since about 70% of home energy costs relate to heating and cooling and hot water, that's considerable dollars you could save each year. Because geothermal systems only transfer energy to and from the earth, they don't need to create heat by burning any of our diminishing resources like natural gas, oil, propane, or wood. Only a small amount of energy is consumed to run the unit's fan, compressor, and pump. So a geothermal system provides up to $4 of heat for every dollar spent. No other type of heating and cooling comes close to matching its efficiency. That's why it's the most energy efficient heating and cooling system available today. In the summer, a geothermal system again saves you money by simply removing the heat from your home and returning it to the cooler ground. You save all year long. Your home is more comfortable with better humidity control. There is no noisy, unsightly outdoor equipment subject to the maintenance problems caused by the weather. Its simple design and operation means reliability. Its ability to heat and cool means you receive one bill for heating and cooling. And its clean operation means the system does not pollute. In fact, the system contributes to a better indoor and outdoor environment, and you can feel good about that. Now, you may be thinking that having geothermal energy in the ground is one thing, but moving it into your home is another. So, before we go any further, David will tell you how this transfer takes place.
Geothermal heating and cooling is transferred between the earth and your home through an open or closed loop system. An open loop system draws water from your existing well and then discharges it. Open loop systems can be used where there is a significant volume of clean, quality water to draw from and an adequate way to discharge the water. With closed loop installations, a water solution is circulated through the loop to the unit inside your home and then back to the loop again. These loops are absolutely environmentally safe because the loop is completely sealed and the water solution volume remains unchanged as it circulates. Closed loops can be installed in a variety of ways based on the terrain and size of your available lot. Loops can be laid horizontally in trenches, installed vertically in boreholes, or they can be placed on the bottom of a pond or lake. Energy efficiency is about the same with both open and closed loops because the process to transfer the energy from the earth is the same. The geothermal unit removes heat from your home and transfers it back through the loop to the cooler earth. Since they're so efficient, geothermal systems will reduce your air conditioning costs and provide excellent dehumidification as well. In the winter, the solution circulating through the loop absorbs heat from the ground and carries it to your home. that's where the geothermal system takes over. The unit compresses the heat to a higher temperature and then distributes it throughout your home through a traditional forced air duct system or through a radiant floor heating system. Now we're down in our basement to show you another simple process of the system, heating water. A portion of the heat either entering or leaving your home is diverted to your hot water tank, producing the hot water you want and the savings you like. This process can save you hundreds of dollars each year by reducing your hot water costs. And by saving money while improving comfort, there's no question why this technology is gaining such widespread support and popularity.
Support for geothermal technology is growing at a rapid pace. Electric utility companies have found that geothermal systems are by far the most efficient way to conserve energy and protect the environment at the same time. That's why many major utilities across North America actively promote geothermal heating and cooling. When you and your family choose geothermal technology, you won't be alone.
Hundreds of thousands of smart homeowners all across North America, from Alaska to Florida, have been enjoying the benefits of geothermal systems.
When we decided to build a new home, we of course were cost conscious, but at the same time we wanted to make decisions that would have payback associated with them. And we certainly could have chosen heating and air conditioning at less installation cost. However, on the other hand, we've been in our home for 3 years and we've experienced such efficiency out of our geothermal unit that we believe that the payback has been outstanding to offset any additional cost of installation.
We had no doubts in our mind that if we were going to build again, it would be geothermal.
Well, I guess right now I would say we wouldn't want to change anything. It works, does everything we want.
Beautiful system. Anybody who bought this, they wouldn't be led astray at all. I recommend it highly to anybody.
We have grandchildren and great-grandchildren, and we want a supply of energy in the planet for years and years and years to come. So we are very, very interested in conserving energy, and since this system is a renewable source and not one that will be consumed and gone, we think that this is really the best ecological way to go.
If I had a choice to buy this system again, unquestionably I would buy it again, even based on the fact that my unit is quite old. I'm still extremely happy. I know that the newer systems might be a little bit better, but if you don't have any problem for 11 years whatsoever, what more can you ask? So based on my savings of utility bills plus the savings on maintenance, without question I would do it again.
Geothermal systems may appear to be initially more expensive than ordinary heating and cooling systems common today. But since they use energy up to 4 times more efficiently, most homeowners will achieve significant savings on their utility bill to offset the added cost of the system.
In new homes, the cost of the system should be included in the mortgage, so it's spread over the length of the loan. Generally, homeowners find that the monthly energy savings will far exceed the amount tagged onto their monthly mortgage payment, so you'll see a positive cash flow from day one. Whether your home is new or old, large or small, a water furnace geothermal system is a great investment in energy savings and comfort.
A geothermal system can be your ticket to energy efficiency and continuous comfort. So it's crucial that you select a geothermal dealer that can deliver the highest quality product and the most dependable service. Water furnace dealers can do just that. Water furnace dealers are educated in the many facets of geothermal technology in order to answer your questions and put to rest your concerns. In addition, keep in mind that your system is only as good as the installation itself.
It takes a well-trained heating and cooling contractor and loop installer to ensure that the unit sizing and loop design match the energy needs of your home. Every independent water furnace dealer completes intensive training sessions to guarantee that each geothermal installation is a success. So when you select your geothermal dealer, remember the standards set forth by Water Furnace. because we'd like to see you as satisfied with your geothermal system as we are with ours.
We're confident that you'll agree that a water furnace system is the finest home comfort technology available today.